Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you about Cognizant pre-joining formalities. So after receiving the offer letter from the Cognizant, you have to complete the pre-joining formalities. So now I will share you how to complete this pre-joining formalities and background verification in this video. Before going to this video, if anyone not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon also. Then only you will receive my videos in the form of notification. And like and share this video. If you have any doubts related to any video, just comment in comment box. So now I will show you the mail that is related to Cognizant pre-joining formalities. So Cognizant is sended offer letters to those who are completed the exam in phase 2 and May batch. So those who are received the offer letter from the Cognizant, so after accepting the offer letter, our next process is pre-joining formalities. You should have to complete this pre-joining formality in order to generate the onboarding pass and also to receive the joining letter. So you should have to complete these pre-joining formalities in a given period of time. So they are given 7 days I think. So complete this process immediately. So and this process is very important. You should have to fill the each and every thing in the Cognizant portal very carefully, because even if the something is a mismatch, so they will reject the application. So and again they will send to re-upload it. So don't do that, because if you do this process again and again, so joining will takes more time. So that's why I am telling you to please fill the application very carefully. So in this mail there are given many instructions and also documents, required documents that you have to complete the in the BGV process. Bring all documents as soon as possible, because you should have to upload the background verification process within 7 days I think. What are the documents that are given here? So please upload all documents if you have. So here many students are asking, is passport is mandatory for this document verification process or not? So here actually there are given in optional. So you can also upload your PAN card, voter ID, anything. So passport is just optional one. If you have, you can upload. If you don't have, no need. And here they are asking about some important note. The name of all document 10th, 12th and other PAN card is same. Please correct details if as applicable. So they are saying if any small name is wrong in above application, so please change immediately. Here there are given some instructions and steps to complete the process. So after completion of this process, you will receive the Cognizant portal. So in that portal you have to complete the background verification process. So everyone please complete this process. Now I will share the each and every step to you. So now let's begin how the process will be. In step 1 there are given link, so just click here and you have to complete the authentication through the authentication app. So please install a Microsoft authentication app in your phone, and after installing the authentication app, just follow the process what I am saying. Here you have to click the link, then you will receive the page like this. If you want to continue with that showing account, just continue, or choose another account, just click the next. After clicking the next, you will it will ask a code. So you will receive the code to the your email, and just enter that code here. After code, just sign in, and you will receive another page like you should have to complete the authentication process. So to complete the authentication process, you should have to open the Microsoft authentication app. So in that you have to enter this 49 number, and after entering the number you will receive the actual Cognizant portal. So in that Cognizant portal you can complete the background verification process and other process also. So you can see here there are having background verification process and pre-joining formalities, all those are given there. So you have to click the background verification process. So after clicking the background verification process, so you will receive the page like this. So after receiving the page, you should click here there are given the link. So just click there, then you will receive the page to complete the background verification process. Here it is showing a video. If you want to watch this video, just watch it. So here you have to complete the personal information and 10th 12th class standard diploma, all those are documents. So first process is to complete the personal information. So just click the personal information. When you click the personal information in the Cognizant portal, you will receive the page like this. So this is very important step to complete before pre-joining process. So here they are asking your personal details related to your names and father name, date of birth, gender and mobile number, all those are. So this process is very important, because if you miss any name is wrong, so that will lead to rejection of your application, and they asked you to upload again. So this will lead to late of your joining date. So please be care when you completing your personal details. And also then after completion of this personal details, these above step are personal details. So after completion of this step, then you will be have to complete the PAN card details. So in this PAN card details, you have to enter the PAN card number, exact whatever the number is there in the PAN card, so without any mistake, and give the name as per PAN card only. For example, if you have PAN card name is Shami Mohammed, you should have to give as per that only. Don't give Mohammed Shami like that. So if your PAN card name is in capitalized letters, so give it with the capital letters only. So like that you should have to give. And current address, you have to fill the address in this part. So they are asking address line 1, address line 2 and address line 3, landmark and city, country, state, all these are your current address status. So fill the address as per the given structure, door number, flat number, house number, floor, building, like that. So please be carefully fill this address also. So here it is asking date also. You have to give the date from which date you are staying at there, and nature of location. And next one is asking a permanent address. So if your permanent address is same as the current address, just copy and paste here. So there are same asking like that. And so after completion of this process, just click save. So then now you completed the personal information. Now you should have to complete the academic details. To complete the academic details, just click here, and 10th standard, 12th standard, diploma, undergraduate, postgraduate, all are there. So to complete that process, just click that. Now I will tell you how to complete that process. There are having 12th, 10th and undergraduate details. When you click the 10th class details, so you will be redirected to particular page. In that page you have to complete the 10th class details, marks and completion of a date. So all those are there. And when you click the 12th class, you have to complete 12th class all details. If you are from diploma, select diploma. So if you are from 12th class, you have to select the 12th class. And next one is undergraduate and also postgraduate also there. So if you are from BTech, just click the undergraduate. If you are from postgraduate, just click here. So in both postgraduate and undergraduate, you have to submit the academic details. And after completion of these details, you will receive the page like this. So in this page, they are asking your PAN card, driving license, passport, voter ID, saying, so PAN card, if you want to choose the PAN card, just choose PAN card. If you uploaded the PAN card, no need to upload these documents. So it is not mandatory. Only if you want to upload the PAN card, just click tick mark. So if you don't want to upload the PAN card, just don't click the tick mark here. So just upload another document also. So here they are having a letter of authorization. Letter of authorization means, so you have to fill the details in the letter of authorization. So first you have to download the letter of authorization. After downloading the letter of authorization, you will receive the document like this. So you should have to take the hard copy of this and fill the names and other details related which are present in the letter of authorization. After filling the letter of authorization, so just document it and upload here. So this is a letter of authorization process. So this is all about background verification. So I am not showing all the photos because photos are not available. I already completed my background verification. That's why present I don't have any photos further. So after completion of this background verification process, you will have to complete the pre-joining formalities. So pre-joining formalities complete అయిన తర్వాత మీకైతే onboarding pass will be generated. So this onboarding pass is generated before 3 days of joining. So you should have to bring this onboarding process at your location of company. So this process is very important each and every step, because if you fail at any step, so they will reject you. If they are rejected, so your joining date will be takes very much time. So that's why I'm saying you should have to complete this process very carefully. So and again I'm saying, so this is about this video. If you have any doubts related to this video, please comment in comment box, because I am giving every comment reply. So don't shy to comment me. So please comment if you have any doubt, because it is very important process. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you.